What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex here, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be doing a 24-hour make money challenge. I'm going to be trying to promote Clickbank products using 100% free traffic, and I'm going to see if by the end of this I'm going to make a sale. So I'm going to show you guys all the steps that I'm going to do. I'm going to see by the end of this 24-hour challenge I'm going to be able to make a sale with free traffic on Clickbank. So I'm going to go and choose a high converting offer that I'm already promoting, that I'm already making sales from it. I'm going to go and drive free traffic from Instagram and from Facebook. I'm going to show you guys the methods I'm going to use. And we're going to see by the end if I'm going to get any results from here. So I'm going to be using one of my Clickbank accounts for this challenge, and this is the Clickbank account. You can see right here, I've not made any sale in this particular account right here. So I'm using this for this challenge, and this is one of my Clickbank accounts I'm going to be using for this challenge. We're going to see if we're going to make any sales. So you can see right here, currently it's January 15, 2021, and right now you can see the time. So let me show you guys the time right here on Google. The time now right now is 9:17. We're going to go and get started from here with this challenge. We're going to see if by the end of this challenge we're going to be able to make any sale in 24 hours. So let's get into the challenge, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into the challenge. You can see the current time is at 9 o'clock. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. We're going to go and choose an offer that's already converting very well. We're going to go and send a lot of free traffic to this offer and see if we can actually go and make a sale. So let's go to the marketplace from here. So I'm going to go and look for this pro right here. So let me show you guys this product. So Manifest 5x. I've been promoting this offer right here, and this offer actually converts very well. So I know that if you are going to send traffic to this offer, you can actually make a sale. So I'm just going to go and promote a product that is already converting very well on the affiliate marketplace. What I can do as well is I can go to the affiliate marketplace and just sort by gravity. You can go and choose the products that have the highest gravity on the affiliate marketplace and promote, and you're still going to go and make a sale. So I recommend you do is I'm going to go and promote a product that has a gravity of at least 10 and above, which means that the affiliates are promoting that offer and they're actually making sales from that offer right here. So this product right here is a spirituality product. So let me just click on search. I just have example Manifest 5x. So you can see this product here is called Abundance Manifesto. So you can see the gravity is only at 1144 and it actually converts very well. And you can go and promote this offer right here. We're going to go and use this product right here for this challenge to see if you can actually go and make a sale with this offer right here. So I'm going to go to the sales page. We're going to check out more information about this product right here and the affiliate tools area from here. So I say I can go and make up to $35 per sale promoting this offer. I can see it also has rebates. So rebates means they're going to be making money from promoting this offer right here. So if somebody buys this product in 1 month, you're going to be getting rebates from this offer right here. So let's check the sales page right here. Because it's a video sales page, and video sales pages tend to convert very well. So it is good. We're going to go and promote this offer for this example. So let's go to the affiliate tools area. You're going to earn up to 90% commission. I can go and earn up to $238 per sale. So this is all good. I can see other affiliates are promoting this and they're actually making sales from promoting this offer right here. So this is very good right here. What I can do is I can go, for example, to the marketplace as well. I can go to the marketplace and just go, for example, to spirituality. Because spirituality products convert very well, I've promoted a lot of products in these different categories like spirituality and self-help, and I'll actually make a lot of money in these different categories from here. Once you go to spirituality, you can just go and sort by gravity right here. And you're going to go and find a lot of products that can go and promote in this particular category and still earn a lot of money right here. So I'm just going to go and use this one right here for this example. I'm going to go and drive a lot of traffic from Instagram and Facebook, and you see if we can actually go and make some sales from here. So the first thing we're going to go and do from here is we're going to go and create a very simple landing page. So you're going to go to the website. We're going to go to Linktree. So Linktree is a free website. I can actually go and create a very simple landing page. So you're going to go to Linktree. Once you go right, you can go and click, for example, get started for free. I can go and create a free account. So I'm going to go and create a free account. So I already have an account from here. So these are my accounts. I'm going to go and use it for this challenge right here. So once I've logged into your account, so let me just put up this link. You're going to click on add new link. It's going to enable you to go and have a very simple landing page, and it's 100% free. So we're going to input the title from here. I'm going to go and input our affiliate link right here. So I'm going to go to the marketplace. So let me click on promote. I'm going to go and get my affiliate link from here. I'm just going to input example. So I'm just click on this one. I can go and input a tracking ID from here. So I'm just going to click on generate hub links. I'm just going to go and copy my affiliate link. I'm just going to go and input this on Linktree. So it has generated the hub links. So let me copy this. Let me close this and go back to Linktree. I'm just going to go and add my affiliate link right here. Let me add the URL. And next, I'm just going to input the title. For example, learn how to manifest. So let me just go to the sales page. So I'm just going to write a simple headline, for example. So let me just copy this. Learn how to manifest. Let me go right here, just paste this right here. Learn how to manifest. So that's going to be my landing page. I'm just going to click right here. I can see it's already on. So this is going to be my link that I'm going to go and use to promote this offer right here. So let me click on this link. That's going to be my affiliate link. So if somebody click from here and go back to the affiliate offer, I'm actually going to make a save. They're going to buy this affiliate offer right here. So let me show you guys what I'm going to do right here to start with this challenge right here. Okay guys, so that first part is done. So what I'm going to do next from here is I'm just going to go to Google. I'm just going to type this keyword. You can start here, type yes to affirm. So these are a lot of law of attraction type of images that are going to go and find on Google. So you can start here, these are a lot of them. So I click on images. What you're going to do is I'm just going to go and save some of these images. I'm going to go and use it with these free traffic methods that I'm going to show you guys right here. I'm going to see if you're going to get some traffic and actually make some sales. So if, for example, type yes to affirm, you're going to find all these love attraction type of images, and most of these actually get a lot of engagement on Facebook and on Instagram. What you're going to do is I can go and click on any of this one right here and just go and save. So I'm just going to save right here. We're going to go and save these images right here, and we're going to go and post it on Facebook. And we're going to go and send DMs on Instagram as well. So let me just save this image. And that's it, guys, the image is going to be saved. And that's it. So what you can do from here next, I can also go, for example, to Instagram. So let me show you guys on Instagram. These are no accounts, for example, you can see manifestation magic. So these are love attraction type accounts that can actually go and download these images as well for 100% free. What I can do is I can just go to these Instagram pages. I'm going to go and download some of these. So I'm just going to go and download some of this from here. So if you click on any of these images from here, so let me just click on this one, for example. What I can do is I can go and copy the URL of this. So I'm just going to go and copy the URL of this image. Copy the URL. I'm just going to go to the website. It's called ingrammer.com. It's going to enable me to go and download these different images right here. So I'm going to go and download a couple of these different images right here and go and promote it on Facebook. So let me go, for example, to Ingrammer. Once I go to ingrammer.com, I'm just going to go and click on the downloader. It's going to bring me to a page that can actually go and download Instagram images very easily. So I'm just going to paste that URL. Paste that URL and just click on search. It's going to give me the URL that I'm just going to download different images from here. So here is the image, so click on downloads. I'm just going to download this. I'm just going to use it to post on Instagram and Facebook. So the Facebook method, I'm just going to go and post these different images. And on the Instagram, I'm just going to go and use my DMs. I'm just going to send DMs on Instagram. So I'm just going to use Instagram page right here. You can see this Instagram page called Success Attraction Secrets. This is an Instagram account that I've been growing right now. I've been growing this particular account on complete autopilot. I can share the last post. See, the last post on this Instagram page is from January 5. So I'm not be promoting any affiliate offer on this particular page. What I'm going to do with this method is that I'm just going to send DMs to people that are interested in love attraction. I'm just going to see if I can actually go and make a sale from this account. So you can see I don't have any links right here. So the next method I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Facebook group. I'm just going to go and paste a lot of these different images right here. I'm just going to go and leave a caption and leave links back to my affiliate offer to a simple landing page that we created right here on Linktree. So let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to go to Facebook and just type, for example, love attraction. I'm going to find a lot of different groups. I'm going to try to post on these different groups right here. So you can type love attraction. I'll just type love attraction. I'm just going to go and click on groups. It's going to show me a lot of love attraction type of groups that can actually go and promote this offer inside here. So let me just go, for example, love attraction. So let me open this one. Let me also open this one right here. We're going to post these different images I've already downloaded from Google on these different accounts right here. We're going to go and get a lot of traffic because many people that are interested in love attraction are inside these different groups, and many of them are actually going to be interested in this product I'm going to be selling right here. So let me just go right here. We're going to go and post those different images right here. So you can see this person is posting this type of image from here. We're going to go and upload our own image right here. So let me just click right here. We're going to upload those different images I've downloaded on these Instagram pages right here. So let me just upload the image. And that's, guys, I'm just going to upload the image from here. I'm just going to write a simple call to action, for example. So let me look for the call to action right here. Type yes if you believe. So I'm just going to type, for example, type yes. So this is going to help me to go and get a lot of action right here. So I'm not going to add any of my affiliate link from here. I'm just going to go and post it like this. And once it starts getting some engagement, I'm going to go and edit this and input my affiliate link right here. So you just click on post. I'm just going to post this in 10 plus groups right here. So this is the first one. I'm just going to post right here. I'm just going to leave a like, and once it starts getting engagement, I'm going to go and edit this and input my own affiliate link right here. So I'm going to go and do this in about 10 groups right here. So I'm going to go and do this in 10 groups, and I'm going to go and send DMs as well on my Instagram page right here. to people that are interested in the law of attraction. You can see here I'm already getting some clicks, right? You can see, let me click on this. I just posted this about some few seconds ago. You can see I'm already getting some likes from here. So let's get, for example, 10 to 20 plus likes. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and edit this. I'm going to go and input the link back to my affiliate offer from here. So that's going to be my Linktree link that we just created right here. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours since I started posting on these different groups. I can see this one of my posts right here. I started getting some engagement. So this one has only 13 likes right now, but most of my pages have a lot more likes than this particular one right here. So let me just show you guys an example of what I'm going to do on these different images once they start getting some traffic on these different groups from here. So once they start getting traffic, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click right here on this three icon right here. So click on these 3 dots. I'm just going to edit this. I'm going to leave a link back to my affiliate link right here. So let me edit post. So this is what I'm doing on the different groups right here. So right, for example, learn how to manifest anything first. Learn how to manifest. So this is what I'm doing, guys. What I'm going to do next is I'm just going to go and input a link back to my affiliate offer right here. So it's going to be a link to my Linktree link right here. So I've already shortened this on Bitly. So you can just copy this. So this is a link that I've already shortened on Bitly. I'm just going to go and paste it on these different groups right here. And that's, guys, that's going to be a link back to my affiliate offer, and it's not actually going to get removed from here because I'm using Linktree to link people back from Facebook back to my affiliate offer. So once I've edited all of this, I'm just going to click on save on all of my posts on those different 10 groups I've already posted on those 10 plus groups I've already posted on Facebook right here. So I'm just going to click on save, and that, guys, is going to be saved. So what I'm also doing is that I'm already started sending DMs to people on my own Instagram page. So this Instagram account right here, I've already started sending DMs. So let me show you guys a sample DM that I'm sending to people on that Instagram page. So you can see right here, this is a sample DM that I'm sending to people on that Instagram page. You can see right here is the law of attraction BS. Say, hey friend, I saw that you are interested in the law of attraction and spirituality, and I wanted to share a free video that changed everything for me. So what this is, I just want to copy this right here from the affiliate resources area, from the email swipes, and I just went and edited this right here. So if you go to the affiliate tools area, you can see right here the email. So this is the email that I used right here, and I just made it to look a lot more personal. So you can see I just copy this, I just want to edit this and just change right here to look a little bit more personal. So what I'm doing is I'm sending people DM on Instagram. So this is what I'm doing right here. So for example, this is a manifestation account. What I'm doing is I'm just going to the followers. So if you click right here, you're going to find a lot more related accounts on Instagram. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to this account right here. I just click on the followers. I'm sending these followers these different messages right here and sending them back to my affiliate offer. As you can see, the sample message, that's a link back to my affiliate offer. That's going to be a link to my Linktree account. So what I'm doing is I'm just copying all these messages from here. So let me show you guys a sample of what I'm doing right now. I'm sending about 20 messages per hour. So let me go back right here. What I'm doing is I'm just going to click right here. You can just go and follow. Just click on the follow icon. I'm just going to that page and see if I can go and send them a message. I can select the message icon. I just click on the message icon, and this is a sample message I'm sending to them on my Instagram page, and just click on send, and that's the message has been sent. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sending about 20 messages per hour to get a lot of traffic and to see if I want to actually make a sale by the end of this challenge right here. So that's an update of what I'm doing right now, and we're going to see if we're going to make a sale by tomorrow. So that's, guys, so I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's been over 24 hours since we started the challenge and the results are in. So we're going to see if we're able to make any sales from those free traffic methods. You can see the time right now is at 10 o'clock, Saturday 16. So let me show you guys some statistics right here. So I sent about 60 plus DMs on the Instagram account, and I posted on 15 plus different groups right here, and we got up to 156 clicks. So we're going to go to Clickbank and we're going to see if we're able to make any sale from these free traffic methods right here. So let's go back to Clickbank. Consider, guys, January 15 we made about $242. So we made a sale with this method right here. So this is a 100% working method, guys, that anybody can go and do and start earning some money. So let me reload this. We're going to see that this is a real sale, January 15, $42.69. That's the sale that we made. So I click right here, you can go to the transactions. We're going to see the transactions right here. So we made one sale and we had an upsell, so it went up to $42. So we made a sale of $24 and the person bought the upsell, so we made $17 in the upsell, so it brings a total of $42. So this is a 100% working method, guys, and anybody can go and take advantage on this right here and start making some money, as I've shown you guys step by step on how to go and do this. So I'm using this exact method as well. I'm getting some free traffic and I'm actually making some money. So I'm making a lot of money as well from Instagram by growing Instagram pages. As I've shown you guys many times on this channel, I make a lot of money from free traffic from Instagram and also make some money from free traffic on Facebook. So go and take action on this method and you can go and actually make money on Clickbank. So you have never made your first sale. This is one of the methods that you can actually go and use and make your first sale on Clickbank in 2021. And everyone can go and do this right here. So be sure to smash the like button and share this video as well so that others can go and benefit from this method and use it and start making their first sale on Clickbank as well. So that's guys, take action on this method and I'll see you in the next video.